This is the George Foreman 2-plate or 2-serving grill and panini press. It is the basic model. It is about as simple as it comes. So you open it, put your food in here. It is a non-stick surface. Once you have it arranged, close it, put your drip tray in place, and it cooks. As far as heating up, you plug it in. The light comes on to indicate when it's hot. There is only one heat setting, so once it's hot, you just put your food in and off you go. Now, I do have a couple things that I don't like about this. One is the fact that your food tends to slide towards the front because of the way the top comes down on it. There are some lip, you can kind of see, not a lip, but maybe an edge here to try to hold the food in. It works a little bit, but it could be better. The other thing that is a challenge is cleaning this. So you can see mine is older. I've used it a while. It's a little greasy. I don't really know how to clean it very efficiently other than basically I just wipe it with wet paper towels, because it does tend to get, you can see here's a little bit of like probably sauce or something that gets stuck to it. And you obviously can't put it in the dishwasher or put it in a sink of soapy water with it being an appliance. So that's a bit of a challenge. Now this you can put in the dishwasher on the top rack. Overall, this is a pretty decent little grill. It does the job. It's inexpensive. It works fine. Aside from the cleaning issue, I would say that it's a reasonable appliance, and I'm glad that I have it in my kitchen.